Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. Our today's portion is exercise 8.6, question number 3. That is verbal problems on decimal numbers. Okay. Then, what is your question? Raju bought a book for rupees 35 and 65 paise. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? Which are the given things in this question? Raju bought a book. And what is the cost of that book? Cost or price of that book is rupees 35 and 65 paise. You underline that given things. Which are the given things? Then another given thing is he gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. He gave how much money? He gave rupees 50. Then how much money did he get back? If in your question there is one get back or how much money left with her, such type of words in your verbal problems, you subtract the given numbers. Okay. Then which are the given things? That is your steps. Which is your first step? Money given to the shopkeeper is equal to rupees 50. Here is rupees only. There is no paise part. So you just put one dot and put 2 zeros for paise. Why? Here there is paise part. So here also you put paise. Then price of the book or cost of the book is what? Rupees 35 and 65 paise. Then money left with the Raju is, here you subtract the given numbers. That means here your question is how much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? From also there. So first you write which number? From the shopkeeper. How money given to the shopkeeper, that number first you write. Then you subtract the price of the book. Okay. Here 0 minus 5 is possible? Not possible. So you borrow. Here also 0. Here also 0. So borrow from which number? 5. So this 5 becomes 4. Here 10. Again borrow. Now it is 10. Here also 9. This becomes 10. Then 10 minus 5 is what? 5. Then 9 minus 6 is 3. Then 9 minus 5 is what? 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So, how much money left with Raju? Rupees 30, rupees 40 and 35 paise. Okay. Rani had rupees 18 and 50 paise. She bought one ice cream for rupees 11 and 75 paise. How much money does she have now? Here also which are the given things? Yes, Rani had rupees 18 and 50 paise. Then she bought one ice cream. What is the cost of that ice cream? Rupees 11 and 75 paise. How much money does she have now? How much money does she have now? So here also you do subtract the given numbers. How much money? This is the keyword. So you subtract the given numbers. So what is the first step? Which are the given things? That are the steps. Money with Rani. How much money? Yes, 18 rupees 50 paise. Then price of an ice cream or cost of an ice cream is rupees 11 and 75 paise. Money left with Rani. Here you subtract the given numbers. 18 rupees 50 paise minus 11 minus 75. So here you subtract the given number. So what is your answer? 0 minus 5 is possible? Not possible. So you borrow. This becomes 10 and this 5 becomes 4. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 7 is possible? Not possible. So again you borrow. This 8 becomes 7 and this 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Then dot 7 minus 1 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, money left with Rani is rupees 6 and 75 paise. Okay. This is your question number 5. Fifth question. Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter long cloth. She cuts 4 meter 50 centimeter length of cloth from this for making a curtain. How much cloth is left with her? Here also, which are the given things? The total length of that cloth, that is 20 meter 5 centimeter, and length of cloth to make a curtain. How much meter? 4 meter 50 centimeter. Then what is your question? How much cloth is left with her? Here also, how much cloth is left with her? So, keyword is left, how much cloth left with her. So, here also you subtract the given numbers. So, what is your first step? Length of cloth. What is the total length of that given cloth? 20 meter 5 centimeter. Here you can convert this into decimal form. One is in meter, another is in centimeter. So, how will you convert this 5 centimeter into meter? Yes, you know that 20 meter plus 5 by 100. Okay, why? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So, here 20 is the whole number part. We put one dot. Then 5 by 100. What is the decimal form of 5 by 100? In denominator, there is 2 zeros in denominator. So, but in numerator, there is only 1 digit. So, simply you write the numerator, that is 5. We need 2 decimal places here. So, here is only 1 digit. So, after this digit, you put 1 0. Okay. So, 20 meter 5 centimeter means 20.05 meter. Okay. Then, which is the next step? Length of cloth to make a curtain. So, that is 4 meter 50 centimeter. Here also you can both in different unit convert into decimal form. Here 4 meter 50 centimeter, 50 by 100. That means 4 meter plus 50 by 100. Here you listen, which is the whole number part? 4 dot. Then 50 by 100 means, what is the decimal form? Here 2 zeros in numerator also 2 digits are there. So you simply put 1 dot and 5 0, that much meter. Okay. So these are the 2 given things. Then length of the cloth left with the Tina. You subtract the given numbers, that is 20.05 minus 4.50. This way you arrange the given numbers for subtraction. 5 minus 0 is 5. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So you go, but here also 0. So next digit, that is 2 becomes 1. And this 10, this becomes 10. And again borrow 9 and this becomes 10. Okay. Then 10 minus 5 is what? 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Here is 1. So what is your answer? Yes, 15 meter 55 centimeter, otherwise 15.55 meter. Okay. Question number 6. Namita travels 20 km 50 meter every day. Out of this, she travels 10 km 200 meter by bus and rest by auto. How much distance does she travel by auto? Here, which are the given things? Total distance she covered is equal to 20 km 50 meter. And out of this, she travels 10 km 200 meter by bus. Out of this, total 20 km 50 meter. Out of this, she travels by bus how much distance? Yes, 10 kilometer, 200 meter. What is your question? How much distance? And by bus and rest by auto. Then how much distance does she travel by auto? How much distance? So here also you subtract the given numbers. Okay. Then what is your first step? Total distance traveled by Namita. That is 20 kilometer, 50 meter. That means here both in different units, so you convert in kilometer. Okay, 20 kilometer, 50 meter. Here you know that 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 1 meter is equal to how many kilometer? 1 by 1000. So here 20 kilometer plus 50 by 1000. This way you convert this meter into kilometer. Then 20 is the whole number part. Here how many zeros in denominator? 3 zeros. So but in numerator there is only 2 digits. So simply you write that 2 digit starting from the right side 1, 2. Here is only 2 digit. We need one more digit. So here you put 1 0. Then that much kilometer. Okay. This way you convert in kilometer. Then what is your next step? Distance traveled by bus. That is 10 kilometer, 200 meter. Here also 200 meter is there. So you convert that meter into kilometer. That means 10 kilometer plus 200 by 1000. Here you listen. Denominator how many zeros? 3 zeros. Numerator also 3 digits are there. So you simply put one dot and write. Okay. That means 10 is the whole number part. 200. Simply you write the numerator that much kilometer. Okay. These are the two numbers. Then distance to be traveled by auto. Here you subtract the given numbers, that is 20.050 minus 10.200. Then you subtract 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 0 minus 2 is possible? Not possible. But here also 0. Then you borrow from which number? This 2. And this becomes now 10. And again borrow it from 1 and this becomes 10. Then 10 minus 2 is what? 8. 9 minus 0 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is your answer? 9.850 kilometer. That means distance to be traveled by auto is 9 kilometer 850 meter. Okay. Last question is Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kilogram. Out of this 3 kilogram 500 gram of onions, 2 kilogram 75 gram is tomatoes and the rest is potatoes. What is the weight of the potatoes? Then here also the given things are the total cost of the vegetables. Total cost is 10 kilogram and out of this 10 kilogram 3 kg 500 gram is onions. Then potato, what is the weight of that potatoes? 2 kilogram 75 gram. Then what is your question? And the rest is potatoes. Okay. Out of this 3 kilogram 500 gram is onions and 2 kilogram 75 gram is tomatoes. Then the rest is potatoes. What is the weight of the potatoes? Here total weight is given. Okay, here also you first you add these two things. That means the weight of tomatoes and onions. Then you subtract that answer from this total weight. Okay. Then what is your first step? Total weight of the vegetables is equal to 10 kilogram. What is the decimal form of this 10 kilogram? Yes, 10 point, there is no gram is there, so you simply put 3 zeros. That means kilogram. Why you write it as 3 kilogram? You know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So here after the decimal point we need 3 digits or 3 decimal places. Then what is your next step? Weight of onions. Then that is 3 kilogram 500 gram. Here also you write it as in decimal form. That is 3 kilogram plus 500 by 1000. This way you convert into kilogram. That is 3 is the whole number part. Here 3 zeros in denominator. So what is the numerator? Numerator also 3 digits are there. So you simply write that numerator. That is 3.500 3.500, that much kilogram. Then weight of tomatoes is equal to 2 kg 75 gram. Here also you convert 2 kg plus 75 by 1000. That is 2 is the whole number part and 75 by 100. Numerator there is only 2 digit, but the denominator 3 zeros are there. So we need one more digit. So numerator 75. So left side there is 1 0, that much kilogram. Okay. Then weight of potatoes. How will you find? 10 kilogram minus, you add these two. Okay. First you add these two numbers. That means weight of onions and weight of tomatoes. That is first you add onions and tomatoes weight. That is 3.500 kilogram plus 2.075 kilogram. First you add these two. Then that answer subtracted from which number? This total weight. Okay. Listen. First you add 3.500 plus 2.075. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 7 is 7. 5 plus 0, 5. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. So here 10.00 kilogram minus, what is the sum of that two numbers? That is 5.575, that much kilogram. Then what is our next step? Then you subtract these two numbers. That is your final answer. That is 10.00 minus 5.575. Here you listen, 0 by 0 minus 5 is not possible. So you borrow which number? By this 1. This becomes 0. Here 10. Again this becomes 9. Here 10. 9. 10. Here also 9. This becomes 10. Okay, this way you borrow that numbers. Then 10 minus 5 is what? 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. Then decimal note is there. 9 minus 5 is what? 4. Then here is 0. So what is your final answer? That is total weight of potatoes is 4.425, that much kilogram. Okay. First you add the weight of onions and tomatoes. Then that answer subtracted from which number? The total weight of the vegetables. Okay. So what is the weight of potatoes? 4.425. Okay. All of you understand? Thank you.